There is controversy in Manatee County tonight over a judge's decision to grant a stand your ground defense.
Deondrick Anderson was killed in July of last year when he got into a fight with Jordan Glanz following a fender bender.
And tonight, Anderson's mother and Glanz's attorney spoke with 10 Tampa Bay's Chris Hurst, who explains why the judge dismissed the murder charge.
I am here today seeking justice for my son.
This afternoon, a call for justice.
I wanted the world to know my deed. I wanted them to know what kind of guy he was.
Tonight, Angela Anderson tells me she's pressing forward after a judge dismissed charges in the shooting death of her son, Deondrick, a teacher from Bradenton.
I want the state's attorney's office to keep fighting and do what they said they were going to do. File an appeal and call the Attorney General's office.
Last July, a car driven by Jordan Glanz hit Deondrick's car at this bar and liquor drive-thru. Anderson got out, began to exchange insurance info when they started to argue. The initial police report says Glanz threw the first punch, but his attorney says surveillance footage shows otherwise.
He first tried to defend himself by just swinging at him with his arm. But that wasn't sufficient. Mr. Anderson went back in for a second time and had part of his body inside the car, clearly hitting him.
Glanz then shot Anderson once in the stomach. Angela says he was discharged from the hospital, but still had internal bleeding. He was readmitted and died 11 days later.
If you attempt to retreat and you cannot safely retreat, then you can stand your ground.
Experts say Glanz did have a duty to retreat, but he said he was boxed in at the scene of the crash and couldn't do so, which is partly how his stand your ground claim was successful. It's leaving Anderson's mother not only without a son,
Chris, I'm stunned. I'm literally stunned.
but without a trial seeking that justice.
And now I gotta fight.
She says her son deserves. In Palmetto, Chris Hurst, 10 Tampa Bay.
Now, we have requested the video used in this case, but haven't gotten it yet from the county clerk. Anderson says she has thought about filing a civil suit against Glanz, but hasn't found an attorney yet to take the case.